How to log in to Blum Crypto. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to Blum Crypto. To log into your Blum Crypto, you will need to have your Telegram application installed on your device. If you haven't done it yet, you can download it from Google Play Store or any other app store. Now, if you have already downloaded your Telegram application, tap on it to open the application and ensure that you are logged into your account here. Once you are logged into your account, at the top right you will be able to see the search icon. Tap on the search icon and in the search bar here search for Blum. You will be presented with the search results. Tap on this Blum bot at the very top and once you tap on it, you will reach inside the chat page. Here you'll be able to see the start button, or if you have already opened this chat or you have created an account on it recently, then you'll be able to see this launch Blum button at the bottom left. Tap on this launch Blum option and now you will be proceed further. Here you have already logged into your Telegram account, so you will be automatically logged into your Blum account without needing to enter any additional credentials. Now once you are logged into your Blum Crypto, you can now start using Blum Crypto features such as trading and managing your crypto assets. So by following these steps, you should be able to successfully log in to your Blum Crypto account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.